बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। नहमदहु व नुसल्ली अला रसूलिल करीम। My dear super subscribers, well wishers and viewers, today I am going to share with you the recipe of making tomato ketchup. So for this purpose, the ingredients that we need would be the tomato. So we have to select full ripe tomatoes, because the taste and the color of the tomatoes that will reflect in the ketchup that we are preparing. With this, the other ingredients that will go will be the ginger, and then garlic, and then red chilies. Here it will go mustard paste or mustard powder you may use, then turmeric sweet and sour chutney, imli ki chutney, then sugar, then here chili sauce that will be added in this, and then black salt, white salt, sea salt, ordinary salt, then synthetic vinegar, and then sodium benzoate if you want to preserve it for a longer period. So the tomato ketchup that is very delicious to eat when you are using it with the French fries. So coming to the method is very simple. First of all, I am giving you this recipe for 1 kg tomatoes. In the description box also I will let you know what is the method and what ingredients and what quantity are to be used. So first of all, we have to take the tomatoes and we have to boil it in some pressure cooker for approximately at least 30 to 40 minutes. And then we have done this, then we have to separate it by some utensil, steel utensil, and then we have to obtain a puree like this. So when this is obtained, so then we come to the method. Here we are making two type of ketchup. One is simple red tomato ketchup, and the other that will be a bit Heinz type ketchup. This will be little dark, whereas this is more red in color. So coming to the method, when you have obtained the puree, then here you will have to add the, for making it red color ketchup, we have to use ingredients like this: salt, vinegar, because this is also white in color, this is also white in color, so this will not affect the color of the ketchup because they are white, and therefore we have to add these in this ketchup. And then here we may use chili sauce also, because this is also red in color, so therefore it will not make any effect on the color of the ketchup we are preparing, and it will be red color ketchup we will be obtaining. And here salt also we will be using, and the sugar also we will be using in this. A little bit sugar that will also be added in this, and in the same way the white vinegar that will also be used in this white vinegar. In the description box I will let you know in what quantity these things are to be used. So in this way the salt, this will also be added in this, and the chili sauce, this will also be added into this. When you have done this, then you have to keep it stirring so that the right consistency is obtained. Then you may take it out and dish it out in some sterilized glass jar, glass bottle. So in this way you can prepare your ketchup that is liked by the kids, and that will be red in color. And in case if you want the ketchup Heinz type a bit, it will be dark in color. For that purpose you will have to mix other ingredients also. For example, this chopped onions, red chilies, then turmeric, imli, sweet and sour turmeric chutney. In the description box also I will give you the link of this turmeric chutney. And then the mustard powder or mustard paste. So here we have to add this chutney, imli chutney into this, and then the chopped onion that will also be included into this. With this we have to add the little bit quantity of mustard powder, and with this will go the ginger and garlic, long and elaichi that will also be included in making this ketchup, because they have the black color, so they will reflect in the ketchup that we are preparing, and the black salt also that will be added into this, and the final product that we obtain that will be looking something like this. So this was a simple recipe that I wanted to share with you today. If you like the video, if you like the recipe, then kindly press the like button, share it with someone. Your comments are always welcome in the comments box section, and subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon so that the upcoming video notification is received to you well in time. Thank you very much for your watching the video. Thank you very much for your time. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.